Hello everyone, this is my robotics project. It has an OLED display, three buttons, a motor driver, a DCBO motor, along with a Lego launcher which I made, and an ESP32 and an active buzzer. So basically, this serves many functions, and this launcher is used to launch sewing buttons, sewing buttons, uh, to wake me up from bed. That's its main function. So along with that, we have many different functions. So the device can connect to Bluetooth, and it will act as a keyboard. And while it's acting as a keyboard, there are functions such as copy paste, the first function. So in copy paste, we can select this, click the mid button to copy, and then click the mid button again to paste it. So instead of using the classic Control C and Control V, there's just one button. Next is the volume plus and volume minus. So if you click volume plus, the volume increases, switch to volume minus, and then the volume decreases. Then next one is play pause function. So say I'm playing a video, and then if you click the mid button, it pauses. Then you can play it again with the same button. So the next function is the shutdown button. So if I just click the mid button, the computer just shuts down. And then it just passively displays time. So the other function of the ESP32 is that it can connect as a web server to this app called ESPIX. And from my mom's phone, she can control whatever happens here. Say she wants me to come down. So she can click the come down button, and then it blinks and it displays come downstairs. Then there are other functions such as stop playing, and then close windows, then finish assignments, do homework, and then there is have milk, so come have milk. Then there's a buzzer, which is turns the buzzer on and turns it off. So there's also two other functions, force stop app and give extra time. So first, the force stop app, say we have um, uh, to win a window open. Say we have a window open, and we click the force stop app button. It closes the thing. So that's what the force stop app does. So for the extra time, there's a few other functions with the ESP32 can do. Since it already has time, it can also set alarms. So currently there are around three alarms. So the first one is the 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. wake up alarm, which beeps 10 times. And it's supposed to, and my mom can use this shoot button to shoot. So the second alarm is the 8 o'clock alarm, which basically closes all my apps since 8 o'clock is when I'm supposed to stop playing and come downstairs to eat. And then 10 minutes before 8 o'clock, it gives me a notification on the OLED that the apps are going to close down. So, what if I'm doing an important project? So, say I'm doing an important project and the apps are going to close down. So, I need some extra time. So, um, the extra time button here gives extra time, and it basically won't close at 8 o'clock. Um, Next is the main part, the shoot button.